think there's a lot more information behind which I'm not aware of about Solis Innovation Day. So let's have a seat and listen to what else they have to tell us.
1+N 4 energy storage scenario application.
Simple and convenient operation, and also compatibility to global mainstream battery brands.
Today, we bring some new else too. Let me show you.
Let's watch a wonderful clip first.
It is the future.
I'd like to share
with solar.
The future. EV magnets, a paid media platform comes to show.
Hello everyone, I'm Yang Qian. I wish Solis Inno Day a complete success.